you know, say, oh, you alone cannot be here. And you see, so the media didn't want to carry that one. I looked into his face directly, and I said into my head that if there is a God that ever lives, I give petition to him. And for this statement that has come out of your mouth, my God will deal with it. I am telling you because, no, Obi, you cannot do that to anybody.
Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in same TBGH. So, what frame me, I draw a searching. Ebusan for Mr. Someone subscribe to our channel, na Mr. on our subscribe me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusan for Ghana for Ama Nana Ya Jantua reply. Nana Ya Jantua Juma Flagstaff House. Na ende Ghana for to omo e de agu no so. Omo bisa ne say, aho. Kelvin Taylor ne class anase niti pen ena eye the former president John Ajekum Kuffour anase Sami Jemfi niti pen ena eye the former president Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo aho wona NPP wa bemu NDC for babies with sharp teeth for no almost see omo ano edi NPP for atem no senkrofo no ade better than NPP for ana ensema Ghana for ebisa Nana Ya Jantua ND and 70 be na egu screen ni so no na ebusuafo de nti na questions we na ekọ ede ema Nana Ya Jantua and any 3 days na NPP aban no original mo so say that be our democracy no is under attack. Ghana kabi na minkebi and omo de chichire yen constitution no na ende His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be president no kamia koye say democracy no ende opese otwem na minim se opese o rule oman no se sojafu na edisu oye ntumi kire ofa camera si wo so ebie wano ano wo bechewo kamia koye say achichachiche no edoso. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no be president o ka kire Ghana for say youth no mo Ghana ha no efa enya adwuma nurses omo awie school tifie teachers etifie nto oba no oba ma youth na adwuma ebusuafo menimo kase yin na enim ne ekoso wo Ghana ha no nurses etifie teachers etifie wona owa adwuma mu so wontua wonka kokwa akuafo omo pe omo atete so cheche enia ma ekoso wo Ghana ha gold ala Ghana friend say gold ara Sami Jemfi ton wo gold border still Ghana hwe enkoso na asefem ukobie wano na ukoka pe His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so wacho ena NPP 14 as no almost dabi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say e kan nipa wa benefit from atemdidia you are number 1 because abra wo opposition na NPP for power no atemdidia wudi the former president Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo from one kasa one no e buy achim sakawa ena de plus Kelvin Taylor ndi wabetuno ni to say wona wa manajuma atemdidi odi Ghana for mpenu for wa brand people for wa bem. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you are the last person that could be if a camera so di atem kwan ka beche. And so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said that udi atem obeche and a NPP for so mo ye demonstration I can sem de akira aban no na chichachiche no adults because then the NPP for kase so omo kan corruption na yekoso akwan omo nye kokwa akuafe wontua wonka nurses omo su ese NPP for omo etime concentrate on those things no mo ka ho asem. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and Nadwin so be frustrate NPP for no we obeche osisi enti se me ekoso wo Ghana he na yentume nka nti omo ye demonstration omo the petition akoma aban ne se agiraje na adoso ye wo democracy amembum to yesterday na NPP for ebo nto ade omo petition no ekodu baby he so omo de kodu no na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama e friend Nana Ya Jantua so onko the petition ne bra na afenya Markins minority leader also what disrespect to the NPP party say Nana Jantua nkoa beba and according to Nsema afenya Markins kind to me find the disrespect because Mami Ya Jantua afenya Markins respect o payenti Nsema afenya Markins e de etuja
feel that with great respect to you and without prejudice to your presence, to nominate only you to come amount to disrespecting us as a political party. I'm the leader of the party in parliament. You have the general secretary of the party here. You have the chief of staff of the flag bearer. We have the chairman of the Constitutional Affairs Committee of the party. Members of Parliament and the leadership of Parliament are all here. But to disrespect our democracy by only nominating you to come, like I said, with great deference to you, it doesn't match it. So it means that the government does not even take serious the grave issues before us. That notwithstanding, we are Democrats and would want to respect.
Ebusiafo in some way na uru afanyo markings e de etuja na ne ya jantoa emunu ya netukoku apai aden afanyo markings are disrespecting no na afanyo markings enye ne class onye ne mate oye peninsi no oba politics na afanyo markings etifem ene kire say NPP omo general secretary kwa agene de also no na ne ya jantoa so started politics no o hye pant etifem enye nsem ketu na jantoa aka kire say nkofo a blast the pa manhene ya wasante Adom FM atiti bia ma ne se maame soma no wo soma na he se John Dramani Mahama no soma on ti se omo edi wotem akasa no ya doso empo nka Mahama no omo edi na tem na wo ha ne say
and to Ghanaians. He was not sent there. She was not sent there by his own will. Otunfo na soma no kwa in court me catch no. President Mahama said o si catch him so whatever happened there, it was not you they were dealing with you. So you don't have a response. Until you are okay with a response from the presidency.
But she also
hold on.
She also said, say President Suma omu rule of engagement with Jubilee House. Say Omanpenyi de adwuma bi ahya won sa. Oko back o trust status report the Omanpenyi. And she has done that to the president.
But me see, it's the president Suma wa. Now it can say nana e de ne yemfa to no.
Yes.
Obi. Now me programs manager mfa ho ne agro ne me di wa. What's my man, Marco baby, me do reporter, but don't see answer having a report now, the abra, you know. And what's it say? Miss Mobby, who are Yamon? Oh, no, me must small. What Jabo who say, no, we do at them. Me no, Madimatem. Oh, be near you at them. It is obey or 2 4 small baby Jan and Nemoa. Or 2 4 2 about Gaman Chawa. I dress a 4 year, 2 him pong and a bar, a general 2 4. 2 4 the one. This happening. What Ghana witnessed a representative from John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency office, in the person of Nana Yajantwa, who to be your focal.
You are saying
so,
that nothing was a better response.
They should have accorded Nana Yajantwa. Nana Yajantwa. Once you stood in the stead of the president, you should have been measured. The utterances here yesterday, some of them extremely unnecessary. You came to speak with emotions. Now, okay, date differentials as if you know. Also, the Metimawo. Now we're friendly, Debbie. Governance is not about personalities. Governance is not about a fear of him.
But I see, he who feels it knows.
Oh, Debbie.
You are not at the receiving end.
My brother, do you know what you receive here at the end? If I make comments here, if I'm not guided.
Now, I don't want to add the reply about just on so TBM for your marking. Now, I said, national.
A honor as fenyo marking, so no na akwaje contract. Afenyo marking who afenyo marking? And your classmate in you. Yes, of course. Na nyini cha afenyo marking metimi ya wona afenyo marking what this saying?
Nyini when you say but untimi.
What this saying? On kan ye ejima minti. Me mate omo ye wie form 5 omo wo ye woni mo my age. Obi me hu na efe o. Nti afenyo marking say manyini cha afenyo marking 2 years mpo. He hasn't got the right. It is a president no did not tell because presidents ne yi me. Say me ma me beji petition. Emre bia ye call Bank of Ghana enye security man e beji petition. Obi mpatro mensre and obi asem nkancho se jasere ye ne hwa asem no. Me pese mi hu se enye security man and e koje petition no. And I am me yase me nua we na fu se sampan ana omu bi na eba na nka ne ye be chia ya mo ha. I'm telling you obi ye no an sen na amene ye chi ne sen ne ntimi anyam se afenyo marking betimi ahwe me manim se me ye nobody obi sie yi political office we free ho me mabobra o Mr. C adwuma o GIPC me asantini ba o ma yire me ho akọ school me free fie o Obi me person me ba bedwa manu me papa ye lawyer ni o. FM. Me papa ye Oxford trained lawyer. I am the daughter of a lawyer, a pharmacist, and a minister. Me free fear to team you. Yante to me wakwan wana me ton yogurt. Afenyo mark in time I me more GIPs no way. What right has he got? Say President Abobi. So my magic petition you saw the person. MPP wants respect, but they do not know how to give respect, especially to women. Justine Kodia. Time I was so kwano. No one in am form was a draw so. Yeah, nama so kwana yeah no. No, Pacho.
So we out of respect.
Sweetheart, please don't start. Please don't start.
That's the point.
Please, I beg you. Sweetheart, I like you. Over plenty me person me myself. Because if nobody told at that point, said what Afenyo was saying is not right, then nobody has a right to come and tell me, said me Busa Obi, I am very decorous with that.
No, but two wrongs too don't make
because the point is that Obi,
the way she eventually
said petition him out eventually.
Now one farmer me found Obi, one answer petition crowd the man me post ya sign signature near see.
Now was sense me mu and Ghana for extra na ya jam to us mami. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Whoa, Obi owo NDC party ni mu bia is not better than Obi owo NPP party ni mu. Wo na ya agyantoa. Screenshot here that friend say screen is eye wo e na wo kan wo se Nanado na membu no. Che say Nanado kwa no se mfata so be president. Na ya agyantoa ensembe na Nanado ye president wo ba besia wanka. Wo so be disrespect na ye wo ya. Ebe ye wo ya because disrespect what disrespect Nanado bia nya asem keto akra. Also, your friend says CPP for almost secretary. First lady, our by first secretary was CPP. And so no, your campaign the my NDC amayokono edi Nanado attempt. Petrol, a fewer prices kosra. Osie Nanado na one fuel. Dollar rate kosra Nanado was says kanako bunifi and sembe nana ya janto once na radio swanka. And that will be so budget petition disrespect to omo party. What's na radio so ke kan nsema akekama mie senior oyo ba no you think it says so bemba respect or no as I say nka won so bu in the first place now respect Nanado na member because won so your ba na mba sorry na member disrespect one call disrespect obi in disrespect who nana ya agyanto me sure pass e niam mo opposition o ye no e ho aketua na wonya ntima mie you better shut up. Na afia markets metimi awo ne ne fa hankosi baby Nanado so betimi awo nana ya agyanto a nti se wetimi disrespect Nanado no obi a disrespect wa wenya ntoko a wote radio so kekem Ghana for my reply say NDC for no you people are not better than the NDC the NPP members no hell no politicians right no mo want equally nti se we di obi ateno obi so edi whatever mame hey duabona wo bon Ghana fo senkosi aga atem didi no kra de yente because mo NDC fo na mo nice kwanso demonstration e course so NDC fo mo ye mehihye mo John Dramani Mahama be ye president 4 years no koy Nanado e be ye president 8 years demonstration be na mo sumi organizing wo Ghana high edu sa demonstration his Excellency John Dramani Mahama wo first time I call demonstration chese dum so demonstration na nya sem ketwa wa kwa sanso aba from 2012 2024 25 26 ayeko 27 undu baby awo afa na woko 2 years so demonstration NPP for organize e chese niema enkoye nti mon sit up na nsema amokan mon de so na mon je achechacheche no na jan 20 nsema wakande enkosi agawai ye nti wo case ai